If you have a refrigerator that has the freezer working but not the lower refrigerator compartment, the problem most likely would be the freezer fan. I will be showing how to replace it on a Haier refrigerator. Replacing the fan on other brands and models would be similar, with main difference being how to access the fan. Unplug the refrigerator when you are working on it. To access the fan, you will need to unscrew 2 screws here and here. Lift out the bottom cover like so, and tilt out the back cover to remove it. This refrigerator had its old fan removed before I was able to work on it. The old fan bracket should be removed by unscrewing it from the back wall. Here is it removed. Note the rubber grommet in the center of the bracket. Here is the replacement fan kit with the fan, fan motor, and bracket assembly. Note the kit only came with 1 grommet, so I need to remove the old one from the bracket and install it on the new front bracket. Screw in the new fan's back bracket in place. If the wires are not connected to the motors in the kit like mine, this is how you would connect them. Place the motor in the back bracket and place the front bracket over it, screwing it into place. Plug the connector in. Push the fan on the motor's shaft to install it. Power the unit on to test the fan. If everything works, then reinstall the covers. Done! Thank you for watching.